So this is a dropshipping store on Walmart in United States. In this month so far, January 2025, the sales were over $134,000, and in last month, in December 2024, the store has generated over $531,000 in sales, and in November the sales were more than $390,000 in sales. So drop shipping on Walmart, it's a really great business. You have seen a drop shipping store. By the way, myself Naveed, I'm providing done for you services for Walmart drop shipping. I provide services on Amazon, eBay, TikTok, and Shopify.